everyone, welcome to Ervan. This is Nicole. Today we are going to introduce our indoor spot lighting V10, V12 and SI13. So firstly, V10 is designed according to the traditional tube fixture which is used widely. And we have the smart design on locking. You can see we have spring locking here. This is Ervan'S design, so very easy to open. We have the protecting rope for safety. Two installation wake light, surface mounting and suspension. Our standard is with the efficiency is 125 lumen per watt and max lumen is 25,000. So it could meet the needs of the all professional requirement of the sport field. V12 is totally modern design with perfect slim structure which is more competitive on weight, installation and power consumption. Also smart design. Spring locking here, very easy to open. Same protecting rope for safety. Our standard is 150 lumen per watt and max lumen output is 22,500. SI13 is with smooth surface, which is an ideal solution for sport hall application. Both V12 and SI13 has 3 flexible installation wake like surface mounting, suspension, and angle adjustable installation. It makes the product can match most of the requirements. The standard of SI13 is 114 lumen per watt and max lumen is 21,000. What these 3 products all have in common? Firstly, approved by ball-proof test. Secondly, low glare less than 22. Thirdly, 3 and 5 wire through available. It makes the product linkable and modular design, very easy for you to change different brand of the driver. Another point is after 5 years warranty, maybe the driver is broken, the efficiency is lower, it's also very easy to replace it. Last point, smart solution like daily dimmable and emergency. So, if you are interested in our indoor spot lighting, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much. See you next time.